Hi, my name is Brittany and I'm a graduate student here at Cal State Fullerton. I love YOU Fullerton because it helps me stay on top of my personal, professional, and academic goals throughout all the stresses of college life. YOU Fullerton gives you the option to choose from ready-made goals and even provides you with all the tools and steps to complete that goal. Or you also have the option to create your own personal goal and set up all of the steps you will need to complete it. You may be wondering, what is the importance of all this? The reason? Statistics show that you are over 5 times more likely to achieve a goal if you write it down. So let's get started, and Eileen is going to show you how to create your own personal goal that is unique to you.
Thanks, Brittany. Hi, everyone. My name is Eileen, and today we're going to be talking about how to utilize YOU Fullerton to keep track of your goals. So right here, we can see this is our homepage. This is what your profile should kind of look like after you have set it up. So we're going to go ahead and start by selecting View All Goals. Okay, so here is a great place to keep track of our goals, whether they're in-progress goals or if we already completed them. So we're going to go ahead and select Start a New Goal. So the goals are categorized into 3 options. We have Succeed Goals, Matter Goals, and Thrive Goals. Because my goal is a health-focused goal, I'm going to go ahead and select Thrive. And then I'm going to select Health. Okay, so we have the option of choosing ready-made goals or to create our own goal. I'm going to go ahead and select this option. And then what do we want to accomplish? So my goal is going to be to visit the health center once a semester. Why is this important to me? I'm going to say that I want to prioritize my health. And I notice during times where I'm stressed out, I tend to overlook my health, and I don't want that to happen. Then we can select Onward. Here we have the option of choosing a time by which we hope to reach our goal. If you don't have a time in mind, you can go ahead and skip this step for now. And then we can break our goal into small steps, which can help make it less overwhelming. So the first step I can put is to explore YOU Fullerton for resources, which we're already doing, so we're making good progress. The next step is to make an appointment at the health center that works with my busy schedule. Okay. And you can add as many or as little steps as you'd like to. I'm going to go ahead and put, I want to show up to my appointment. And then lastly, I really want to make sure I repeat this goal each semester. Cool. So now we have all of our steps, so we can go ahead and select Set That Goal. Now we can see that our goal is listed here under our goals. And now Brittany will show you what to do to put this goal into action.
Now that we've created our goal, we're going to explore YOU Fullerton to find some resources that may help us. First, I'm going to click on Thrive, and you can see a drop-down menu appears with a variety of topics you may be interested in. I'm personally interested in inquiring about birth control, so I'm going to scroll down and click on Sexual Health. From here, you can see a variety of articles, videos, and resources that all pertain to sexual health. Personally, I am interested in campus resources, so I'm going to go up here and click Campus Resources. Right away, I see Need a Doctor, so I'm going to click on this article. And after reading through and exploring this article, I can see that it lists all resources that are available to us as students through the Student Health Center. Under Services, I see Reproductive Care, and when I scroll down to the bottom, I can see that I can make an appointment using either the phone number or the Titan Health portal. After making my appointment, I want to return back to the home screen of YOU Fullerton, and I'm going to click on my goal. From here, I see that I have completed my first step, which is exploring YOU Fullerton for resources, so I can click this as complete. And I've also made my appointment at the Student Health Center, so this is also complete. Now, every time I log on to YOU Fullerton, I am able to see the progress of my goal on my home screen.
Now you should know how to keep yourself accountable of your goals and utilize You at Fullerton. What goals will you set? Thanks for watching, Titans!